Merry Christmas. Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Christmas. Today is all about self-care. Today is all about self-care. After I had my breakfast, I'm going for body massage, body facials. Good morning. Thank you very much. So guys, the 5th floor is where you have the swimming pool and waiting for my appointment. My appointment was for 12 p.m. and it's just about time. So while waiting, let me just do a quick short video. See, I'm glowing, man. At times, the best skincare you need is to just take a break, rest, sleep, eat, drink a lot of water. Wow, this is beautiful. And I love the smell already. Yeah, self-care day. Okay, but I'm gonna excuse me to change. Okay.
Get in trouble that you don't find, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be as it slips through
body
your
done
fingers.
with my face massage, facials, and body massage. Please guys, remember to subscribe to this channel if you are watching my video till now. And Merry Christmas.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Man, my skin is skinning. Please guys, I hope you are enjoying all this video I'm posting for you guys back to back. I want to beg you, I want to officially plead with you with this my natural hair. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help my ministry to grow to the permanent, to the monetized parts. Please share this video, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section what type of content you want me to create for you guys, my lovelies. And then, still in the spirit of celebrating Christmas, don't forget you cannot steal Jesus Christ shine. Jesus is the reason for the celebration. So try to remain happy, stay positive, smile often, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.